Did you know? Did you know that most people think that the Bible is a mysterious book that cannot be understood? This is the case especially when it comes to prophecies contained in the book of Daniel or Revelation. Some people even believe that if you try to understand these books, it can make you crazy, and that these things are sealed to our understanding. But how can a God of love give us something that will hurt us? Here is where we need to apply the fourth rule of interpretation. The Bible explains itself. Every time you come to a Bible verse that you don't understand, use a concordance to look up other verses that deals with the same word or topic, and you will receive clarification. For example, in Daniel chapter 7 verse 2 and 3, the Bible says, Daniel spoke, saying, I saw in my vision by night, and behold, the four winds of heaven were stirring up the great sea, and four great beasts came up from the sea, each different from the other. When you read verses like these, many questions come to your mind. First of all, what do these four beasts mean? What do they stand for? Why are they coming out of the sea? The answer lies in another verse. Daniel chapter 7 verse 16 and 17 says, I came near to one of those who stood by and asked him the truth of all this. So he told me and made known to me the interpretation of these things. Those great beasts, which are four kings, which arise out of the earth. And Revelation chapter 17 verse 15 says, Then he said to me, The waters which you saw, where the harlot sits, are peoples, multitudes, nations, and tongues. So as you can see, the Bible gave its own interpretation of those symbols that we did not understand. The point is this: the Bible explains and interprets itself. If you have any questions or this ministry has been a blessing to you, please contact us. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know?